The 9 presidential actions signed this week. You can see the fourth one down is establishment of the strategic Bitcoin reserve and United States digital asset stockpile. I'll do a video about digital assets and Bitcoin a little bit later this week. So the two that I really want to talk about are restoring public service loan forgiveness and addressing risks from Perkins Coie LLP. So starting with Perkins Coie. This is the second executive action specifically targeting a particular law firm. The other one was on February 25th when there was an executive action written about Covington and Burling. White House spokesperson Harrison Field said on Friday that President Trump is fulfilling his commitment to end the weaponization of government and protect the nation from partisan actors who exploit their influence. I don't know how he could have said that with a straight face, though, because I don't see how President Trump's attacks on these two particular law firms and the American Bar Association can be viewed as anything but weaponization of the federal government by a partisan actor who is targeting anybody who ever acted against him or expressed views different from his own. Trump issued an executive order revoking the security clearances for 2 Washington, D.C. based lawyers at Covington and Burling who had represented prosecutor Jack Smith, who you may remember investigated President Trump. This latest action targets Perkins Coie, who represented Hillary Clinton back in 2016, and they are also representing a number of entities that are suing to block President Trump's executive actions in this term. The other major action this week that President Trump took to weaponize the government were his modifications to the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program. President Trump's executive order seeks to exclude certain groups of people who are in public service from qualifying for the program, and it seems to just be targeting people who have points that don't agree with his. For example, he says that people aiding or abetting violations of federal immigration law, which presumably means people involved in immigrant rights organizations. It also targets any organization engaging in DEI initiatives and in public protest. Without a doubt, both of these two executive actions are going to end up in court and likely will never take effect because they'll be deemed unconstitutional. But it's a pretty shocking attack on personal freedoms, on freedom of speech, and on the law, to be honest.